Today we are going to make relationships according to the 15th question set in our Nest mobile database. Our first task is to make relationships between the supply table and the GRN table. GRN, as you know, good receive note, is a kind of invoice that receive from the supply side. So let's move to the workbench. Here is our supply table and the GRN table. You can understand one supplier usually supply items several times, but one GRN belongs to only one time, so it's a many to one to many relationship. So I'm going to make it. Let's move to the second question. What is the database relationship between the GRN table and the product table? Write it down in the ER diagram. Usually there is a one to many relationship because one supplier can supply many items, but in this scenario they included unit price and the quantity in our GRN table. So according to this question, this is a one-to-one relationship. In the third question is, what is the database relationship between the product table and the stock table? Write it down in the ER. Product table and the stock table, there's product details included into product table, but stock details such as quantity and the selling price stocked in the stock table. So there can be different stocks within different up-to-date prices belongs to one product. So this is one-to-many relationship. Let's move to the next question. Fourth question, it says what is the relationship between the product table and the customer table, but they don't say right in the ER diagram, so only we have to take what is the relationship. You know, one customer can buy many product, and also one product can be buy from the many customers, so there should be many to many relationship. So third table is belongs to this customer, and the product table is the invoice table. So in invoice table they stores they should be store who buy the product from the customer ID and what products they buy from the product ID. So we can move to the next question. In the fifth question and the sixth question, they says we have to create relationships between the product table and the invoice table, and also the customer table and the invoice table. I'm going to create them. You can understand this is a one-to-many relationship. Sorry, other side. Okay, this is also one-to-many relationship. Okay, we are done. Now we had successfully complete 30% of our question series. We had to cover 50 question sets. So hope you in the 16th question set.